Good morning, highly esteemed viewers. Welcome to our mathematics tutorial for today. In today's tutorial, we are going to consider this Olympiad exam mathematics question. Now, we're going to solve for x if 9 to the power of x divided by 16 to the power of x is equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x. And we are told that we are asked to look for the value of x. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics Olympiad questions. Now, we are going to use two methods in solving this question. And remember, if you have been following my video, our second method is always very simple but strategic. So we're going to use the first method and then the second method. And you'll see how we'll arrive at the same solution. Mathematics is very flexible as long as you follow the rules. Many people look at such solution as being frivolous, but I want to tell you that of course it's possible. You can solve mathematics in two different ways and then you can get the same solution. Come to see that happen in this question as we solve this question. Now let's go straight to solving this question. To solve this question, whenever you are given any question that has to do with fraction, the first thing that should come to your mind, since there is fraction in the left-hand side and the right-hand side, and they are being held with an equal to sign, the need to cross multiply must come to your mind. So let's cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to have 9 to the power of x. We are using the first method, multiply by 4 to the power of x, and this will be equal to 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. Now, having done this, I want you to flash your mind back to a law in indices. In indices, we are told that if you have a common base, two different bases and both of them have same powers and they are multiplying, all you need to do is to multiply the two bases and assign them same power. And that's exactly what we are going to do to this solution. So if we do that, we are going to have 9 multiplied by 4 all to the power of x. We'll assign them same power of x, and this will be 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. Good. Now, what we need to do is to simplify this. This will give us 36 to the power of x, and this will be equal to 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. Fine. So having gotten to this point, the only way we can solve this is to take the logarithm of both sides. So we can take either the normal logarithm of both sides or the natural logarithm of both sides. Now let's take the natural log of both sides. We will take the natural log of 36 to the power of x to be equal to the natural log of 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. So this will give us the natural log of 36 to the power of x equal to, remember the product law of logarithm, we are going to apply it here. So we'll have that law permits us to separate these two logarithms. That will be this plus the natural log 16 to the power of x. Now in logarithm, this power will always multiply the logarithm, the values of the logarithm. So we'll do that, x multiplied by the natural log of 36, and this will be equal to the natural log of 25 plus x multiplied by the natural log of 16. Good. Now we'll collect like terms. This will come over here. So we'll have x, the natural log of 36, minus x, the natural log of 16, equal to the natural log of 25. So we're going to make x the subject because x is common, and this will give us the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16 equal to the natural log of 25. Now, to find the value of x, which is our main priority, all we need to do is to divide both sides by the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16. And if we do that, the left hand side will give us x to be equal to the natural log of 25 divided by the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16. We can simplify further this value, or we'll leave our value for x to be equal to the natural log of 25 divided by the natural log of 36 minus 16. Now, this is the first method we can use in solving that question. Remember, I told you I'm going to show you another method, and it's going to be more simpler than this. Now, let's look at the question again. 9x divided by 16x equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x. Now, let's solve that using method 2. We have 9 to the power of x divided by 16 to the power of x equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x. So this time around, we're not going to cross multiply. We are going to simply simplify this side. So this will give us 9 divided by 16. The law of indices permits this. Assign them a common power, and this will be equal to 25 divided by 4x. So what we'll do now to clear 4x, which is the obstacle we'll have here, is to multiply both sides by 4 to the power of x. So we'll have a 9 divided by 16, that's our only obstacle, multiplied by 4 to the power of x, equal to 25 divided by 4x, and it's multiplied by 4 to the power of x. So this will clear this, and then we'll be left with this. And the laws of logarithm permits us, remember this law of logarithm, that if you have the same base as we expressed, then different base with same power, that they will do what? They are going to multiply. You multiply the base, right, and assign them same power. Good. And this will be equal to 25. So if you multiply these two, 9 times 6, 9 times 4 will give us 36 divided by 16, all to the power of x, equal to 25. So now we can take the natural log of both sides. So we take the natural log of both sides, we'll have 36 divided 16 to the power of x will be equal to the natural log of 25. So this comes over here. That will give us x, the natural log of 36 divided by 16 equal to the natural log of 25. Now, if we divide both sides by the natural log of 16 divided by 36 divided by 16, we'll have our x over here to be equal to the natural log of the 25 divided by the natural log of 36 divided by 16. And according to the law of logarithm, the divisional law of logarithm, the division law of logarithm, s can be equal to the natural log of 25. We can distribute this to be the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16. And that will be the value for our x. So you see, maths can be very easy, and you can use various methods in getting your solution. as long as you maintain the principles in the constitution called the Constitution of Mathematics. I know you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics videos. Thanks so much for watching.